So after knowing electric current, that what is electric current, we comes to know that this is nothing just the flow of a charge. That is what we call an electric current. Now the question is, like in a wire, in the previous video before this, we have just studied, we have just studied that it is simply a flow of charge. It is simply a flow of charge. What we call it as flow of charge. But how this flow of charge is possible? Because in the beginning, one of the video, in the first assignment, we have studied that charge flows from high potential to low potential to low potential by its own. Yes. Then means, first of all, just read it once again, that charge flows from high potential to low potential automatically. It means if there is one end, if it is at high potential, and if another end it is at low potential, only then the charge will flow. It means, I repeat my words, as we know that charge flows from high potential to low potential automatically, it means for the flow of charge in a wire, one end must be at high potential and the other end must be at low potential. Then what happens? What we do exactly? Like we may use any battery or any cell to have this potential difference. To have this potential difference. So the part of the cell which is given positive, you may see the cell in your homes that has been in this form. One end has been marked with positive, the other end has been marked with negative. The positive terminal, the positive end is always at higher potential. You just check it out. Means this A part of this wire is at high potential and the B part is at low potential. And for making cell, this is the structure of a cell. Higher potential, this part must be made always longer than this part. So this is what. Now I have just attached this wire with a cell. So cell has been creating a potential difference at its two ends. But now the question arises, what is present in a cell? In a cell that it is being responsible for creating a potential difference. So, like in short, I just want to tell you there is an electrolyte. There is an electrolyte. Now, what is electrolyte? I'm just going to tell you in upcoming few minutes. But before that, just want to tell you an electrolyte. There is one electrolyte which is present inside the cell. Electrolyte. Electrolyte is a kind of solution which is responsible for creating or for maintaining the potential difference between the two ends of the cell. If this potential difference, like once you start using the cell, this potential difference started decreasing, the potential difference started decreasing, and one time reached when the potential